What's up my good people, welcome guys to the Seniors channel, and in today's video we'll be learning more how you can be able to earn money online with zero investment. How do you go about it? Let's get started. So I'll be introducing you to our website here where you can be able to train, you can be able to undergo some training, then you can be able to start doing some paid task. This website is Remo task. The website itself is Remo task. So I'll just leave the link in my video description. So you just need to click the link in my video description and it will direct you to this website. On this website, as you can see, this website has over 240 people who come each and every day to perform tasks on this website, and you can see at the moment they have been able to pay out over 15 million US dollars, and this website is accessible to over 90 plus countries. So as long as you have a PayPal account, you can be able to make money online with zero investment. All you need to do is just visit this website, create an account, start training, and immediately you start earning money. You start earning USD. So you don't have to invest any money. You just need to have some internet access, and either a device, either your mobile phone or your laptop, whichever you have, you can still use it. If I happen, for example, you can see this is the website itself. If I happen to open my that is my account, this is my account, this is my personal account that I was trying out on this website. Let me first of all click this dashboard. So after you join this way, after you join there, you start doing tasks on this website. You have what you call the sign up bonus. You can see it here, and a $5 bonus for you and your friend when they join Remo task. So in case, for example, you happen to share your invitation link with somebody and they join this website and start doing tasks on this website using your invitation link, each of you and your friend, you'll get each 5 USD sign up bonus, and there is no cut. Actually, the moment you just sign up on this website and take some training and start earning on this website, you'll receive that is 5 USD, the sign up bonus, and it is actually withdrawable because actually this site you don't have to invest anything. You just need to read the instructions. Then after you study the instruction, take the training. After you are done with the training, now take paid task. You can see, for example, for my case, if you can just click here reward, you can see these are some of the tasks that I was able to do. I was able to take when I was testing this website. If, for example, you can sum up all this, you can see I was able to earn quite some good amount of money. So if, for example, if I just click the task logs and see some of the tasks that I took, and in fact for this case I only did 2 tasks. That is two tasks. This one, the one we call the flamingo bullet reflector, that is the flamingo bullet reflector, and still there was another one. Let me just click show more so that I can be able to see all the tasks that I undertook. We have the bullet reflector. These are some of the latest that I ever did, but I did actually 2 tasks. You can see I have flamingo, that is a flamingo bullet reflector, and there was still another task which I do not remember at the moment. And you can see on this website I was able to earn myself, that is 61.31 website, after taking a total of 159 tasks. So you can see approximately one task was paying roughly 0.0, that is almost around 0.3 US dollars. That is for just a single task. So in case you just need to visit this website, create an account, then link your Remo task account with your PayPal account, then from there take some training. When you are taking the training, you just need to click here. If you go to the dashboard, you have just clicked the dashboard, then you just need to click start earning, and when you click start earning, you can select the different tasks that you can be able to do, and the task that you perform depend with the device that you have. In case you are using the PC, you are able to access more tasks and tasks that pays way more better. In case you are using your mobile phone, there are certain tasks that are designed to be done using your mobile phone. So in case you have either you have a mobile phone or you have a laptop, you can be able to perform tasks on this website. You can see, for example, in this case, you just need to take a training that is for 5 minutes, and then after you are done with the training and you pass the training, then from there you just need to proceed and start doing the task. You can see, for example, here I already have this task that is flag edge cases, and if I just click start, take the training and pass the training, then from there you'll be able to access paid task. And actually on this website, like you saw, I already earned myself $61, and I only did it in 3 days. So I took like a day to train. I trained for the 2 tasks in a day because I was quite busy. Then after taking the training, the following day I started doing the task. Each and every day I used to earn like $30, but I used to do it during my free time because that time I was a student. So I used to earn like $30, the following day $30. So by the end of the week, you will find yourself having earned over 20 USD with zero investment. And actually on this website, they pay every Wednesday of each and every week. So you just need to link your Remo Task account with your PayPal accounts. And that's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. To be able to visit this website, just click the link in my video description or the link in the comment section, and actually it will redirect you to this website and create an account, invite friends to join this platform, and you earn yourself some bonuses. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.